Unlock the secrets to turning your collateral into cash. Discover how to sell on Facebook Marketplace like Appro and what your profits soar. Whether you are clearing out your cash or launching a side hustle. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So the first thing that you have to do is open your browser and dive into facebook.com. This is the home page as you can see. So sell on Facebook Marketplace is a game changer for anyone looking to declutter or start a side hustle. In this video, we will delve into the ultimate tips for creating a catching listings, setting competitive prices, and maximizing your reach. From choosing the right keywords to mastering negotiation tactics, we will cover everything you need to know to sell successfully. Stick around until the end for exclusive insights that could skyrocket your sales. So, first of all, you have just to click over here. Then you have to scrolling down and you will find here marketplace. You click over it. Once you do that, you will find this page which you have to just watch products and select the one you want, then you buy it. But here we have also both all notifications, inbox, buying, selling. We have also location here and categories. We have, for example, vehicles, property for rent, classified, clothing. We have electronics, entertainment, family, free stuff, garden and outdoors, hobbies, home goods. We have home improvement, suppliers, musical instruments, office suppliers, pet suppliers, property for sale, sporting goods, toys and games, buy and sell groups. So you have just to select the niche you want and you will find it here, and also you select some details, for example minimum price and maximum price. Then you have if you want bedrooms here, I will just select more than 4 bedrooms. Then you have here bathrooms also plus 2. Then we have here also type of property for rent, house of course. Then we have here lesson for individuals. So this is how it works. So right now all I have to do to get started is click over create new lesson. So you have to choose lesson type, item for sale, create a single lesson for one or more items to sell. Then you have vehicle for sale, sell a car, van or other type of vehicle. You have a property for sale or rent, list a house or flat for sale or rent. Then you click over sell for item and you'll find this page. We have your lesson preview. As you create your lesson, you can preview how it will appear to others on Marketplace. You have firstly add the photo, for example this one. Yeah, you can also add other photos. The max is 10 here. Then we have here required to be as descriptive as possible. You write the title, basketball shoes, then the price, $50. Then you have category here, visits, objects and collectibles, arts and crafts, vehicle parts and accessories, baby products, bags and luggage. We have books, films and music, mobile phones and accessories. So I will select here clothing, shoes and accessories. Then we have here baby clothing and shoes, children's clothing and shoes, men's accessories, men's accessories means clothing, men's shoes. I will click over this one. Then we have here clothing, shoes and accessories, men's shoes. Then we have here men's boots, men's sandals, men's slippers, men's athletic shoes, of course this one. Then if you scroll down, you have your condition also. If it's new or used, you like new, used good, used fair. I will choose the second one. Then we have here more details also. Attract more interest by including more details. You have your main shoe sizes. I will click for this one. Then you have the brand also. I will choose Nike. Then we have here activity, aerobics, or what you practice. So I'll choose basketball. Then we have color here, black and red, the red. Then we have description also. how to describe your product. For example, new basketball shoes for selling with good price, which called Kyrie Irving. You give a type infinity. Then we have also here availability. So list as a single item. If you are selling one item, show only one on your listing. List as in stock. If you are selling more than one item, show in stock on your listing. I'll click over the first one. Then we have product tags also, SKU also, location, meetup, preferences. Buyers will be able to see your preferences on your listing. Have a public meetup, meet in public location, to pick up, buyers picks up at your door. Then we have door drop off, post lesson after it's been published. Add a step to post your lesson after it's published to help you reach more potential buyers by turning it into an ad. Then we have you hide from friends. This lesson is still public but will be hidden from your friends on Facebook and Messenger in most cases. Then you have your marketplace items are public and can be seen by anyone on or Facebook. Items such as animals, drugs, weapons, counterfeits, and other items that infringe intellectual property aren't allowed on Marketplace. See our. So, selling on Facebook Marketplace offers numerous benefits, including access to a vast audience of local buyers, making it easier to sell items quickly. The platform allows for seamless communication, enabling direct interactions also with potential customers. Additionally, it's user-friendly and free to use, eliminating the need for lesson fees. Found on other marketplaces with tools to create upline lessons and options for sharing within local groups, sellers can maximize visibility and increase their chances of successful sales, all while fostering a sense of community. So this is how it works. You can just do that and you get started by some products on Facebook. So in conclusion, we can just say some Facebook Marketplace presents a unique opportunity to reach a broad audience while enjoying a straightforward and cost-effective selling experience. By leveraging its features and engaging with local buyers, you can turn invented items into cash and potentially grow a driven side business. Embrace the platform potential and watch your sales flourish. So this is how it works with Facebook and I mean still on Facebook Marketplace. And this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.